Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 18.73% since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.85% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $124.09 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current free-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 10.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 19.12% to positive 17.30%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 65.62% and negative 41.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $40.33 and $68.71. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Advanced Micro Devices stock after gaining 2.34%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 2.34% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, rising from $114.63 to $117.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.88%, reaching a low of $113.28 and a high of $117.68. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 2.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 1 million more shares traded than the day prior. In total, 35 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.15 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 37.36% or $69.97 below the 52-week high and 48.39% or $109.99 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, commonly referred to as AMD, continues to navigate a dynamic landscape as it participates in the Bank of America Global Technology Conference today. The discussions led by their Chief Financial Officer focus on the company's ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence technology and their efforts to strengthen market position despite recent economic challenges. As of early June 2025, AMD has experienced a sluggish start to the year, with the stock down approximately 9% since January. This decline reflects broader investor concerns regarding the macroeconomic environment, particularly influenced by geopolitical tensions and President Trump's newly proposed tariffs. Such tariffs could impact AMD's supply chain and sales in critical markets, potentially stifling short-term growth. Conversely, the demand for advanced chips used in artificial intelligence applications remains robust, even amidst export controls affecting the Chinese market. This persistent demand signifies a strong long-term outlook for AMD, especially as they compete with rivals such as NVIDIA for a share of the lucrative artificial intelligence-driven chip market. Analysts are increasingly recognizing AMD as a key player in this sector, which is projected to drive significant economic benefits over the next decade. In summary, while AMD may face short-term volatility due to external market pressures, its strategic focus on artificial intelligence production and technology innovation positions the company well for future growth. Investors might keep a close watch on AMD's performance in the upcoming quarters as it aims to capitalize on these opportunities in the rapidly evolving technology arena. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while designating the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock generates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If corrections occur, support is anticipated at $113.35 and $103.52. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and the stock has since declined by approximately 0.348%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 42 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices has support just below today's level at $100.36. If this support is broken, the next level of support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $88.70. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.40 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.88%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings. Per share, a high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.6. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $117.72. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $100.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sale of 9,610 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 12.138. Overall, insiders purchased 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $112.75, reflecting a decline of 3.89%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect advanced micro devices to open lower by $1.22, starting trading at $116.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.